Health Services Manipur Director Dr. Chambo Godmaina Luchingba Health Services ki team amana Tengnopal District ki manung chana leiba maring furup singna khundaba Moirengthel khul yauna border pillar number 88 amadi 89 ke akoibagi khul singda hakthengna chatuna mafam sing aduge health kamari leinaba fibam sing yengsinkhre yengsin khongchat aduga mari leinana miyamgi oiba mifam ama pangthokpaga loinana free medical camp amasu pangthokhi Camp aduda manak nakbada leiba khul kunmanga rongge ahal sing yauna miyoi kayana ana laying chathaduna lemna hidak langthak phanghankhe khongchat aduda Moirengthel khul ge chief mm Podarfa maring na Myanmar gi ngamkhai ga tainana leiriba khul asige Khunja Singh asina ana laying gi fibam da khudong chadaba kaya mayoknariba asigi yengduna mafam asida primary health sub center ama thambiyu haina Health Services Manipur gi Director Dr. Chambo Godmaida memorandum ama pisinke Khongchadaduda Ayush ki Senior Nodal Officer Dr. K. Benedict Primary Health Center Rilram ki Medical Officer in Charge Dr. Morung amade atai medical staff kayana sarup yakhi